You are going to love the 2022 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.